Hi everybody, my name is Owen and this is Van Trekking Lifestyle, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're home. We had a wonderful trip to Florida, but you know what? People call it base camp. Lynn and I don't call this base camp. This is home, and we travel in our RV, which happens to be a little bitty Winnebago Revel, but this is home. While we were gone on this last trip, Elisa from LifeDoo in Australia, down under, who watches our channel and have seen me work with the Flatpack Grill, said, we have something that's a lot better and we want you to try it out. So she sent it to us. It was here when we got back. And in today's video, I'm going to unbox this and we're going to try to cook pork chops on it for the very first time, and we'll show you how they turn out. Thanks for being here with us. Let's get on with the unboxing. So I know what you're thinking. You're from Australia, you know, and it really does tickle Lynn and I that so many people from all over the world watch our little videos, and it really makes us do a happy dance. But I can just hear some of you saying this now, mate, that's not a knife. And I agree, but I'll tell you what, I'm dangerous with knives. I have cuts all over me from knives, so I have this little bitty kitchen knife, and we're going to unbox this gift from LifeDoo and see what's in the box. The problem we always had with the Flatpack was that it didn't have enough airflow, and so you couldn't get the charcoal to really burn. But man, you can see it burning. Drop on 4 pork chops. I have greased the grill. See, I called it a griddle. It's not a griddle, is it? And they're sizzling. Well, see, now that's an issue right there. So Lynn just pointed out that the paint is peeling off of the side of the grill. I've got it so hot that it's burning the paint off. I don't have a lot of coals in here. It's just burning really, really hot. I think it's going to be okay. Once it comes off, you can just scrape it off and it'll be fine to cook on. I'm not sure why they painted it black to begin with. You know, stainless steel would have probably been fine with me. But I'm telling you, this might not be... It's not going to get Maggie's 2 paws up. So Mike and Steph, our friends from Tomoka, she gave us this garlic butter, and we have been using that like crazy, and it works so well for this kind of food. We're going to put a little garlic butter on top of each one of these pork chops. And I'm telling you, it's so hot you can't stand your... Man, we'll put a little bit of that garlic butter on top, give it 2 minutes or so, and then we're going to take these pork chops off. Woo! All right, we're going to eat. We'll come back later and tell you what we think about the grill. I think it's going to take quite a little bit of time for these coals to completely burn down. We're going to clean up, take Maggie for a walk, and we're going to wish you guys a happy week. Hope it's a good and happy dance kind of week for you. We do appreciate LifeDoo sending us the product. And if you do want to get one, down below, there's a 10% off coupon. Just use VTL10 at checkout and you get 10% off. Can we recommend it to our subscribers? I guess it depends. For us, we can only take one thing to cook with, and I'm betting that's going to be the griddle. Doesn't mean that this is a bad idea. It doesn't mean that it's something that won't work for you. But for us, since we're so limited on space, I don't think this will be going on our next trip with us. There's another reason too. When you cook with charcoal, you've always got a charcoal profile kind of taste, and then you add things to that. But it's always going to be flavored with charcoal. Whenever you cook on the griddle, you actually add your own flavor profile to that. So if you want it to be garlic and butter, it comes out tasting like garlic and butter, not charcoal with garlic and butter. That said, it was awesome. We do appreciate you sending it to us. If you do get one, let us know how you like it. And until we see you down the road, happy tails.